Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I bring you another skincare video. So today's video is about skincare for oily, acne prone skin. So I'm going to take you guys through step by step on the products that I use when I'm tackling these two issues. So starting off with cleanser. Cleanser is always my number one step. So now I'm using the Cerave foaming cleanser, and in my opinion this is the best facial cleanser for acne oily prone skin. This cleanser is so good, you guys. This is what I use when I need to clear my pimples up really quickly. I love this cleanser so much, especially around the summer period when my skin tends to be a lot oilier. I don't know if anyone else can relate, but when you have oily skin or combination skin, your T-zone can really start to oil up, and I feel like this just removes the excess oil, the excess sebum that I produce. Now I do want to mention that this does not strip your face. It doesn't make your face feel really dry and tight. It's not overly stripping. It's got hyaluronic acid in it and ceramides that will basically maintain the moisture in your skin. So one of the reasons why this works really well for acne is it unclogs your pores. So the extra sebum that you're producing, the extra oil that you're producing on your skin, it can basically clog your pores and cause acne. So what this does, it removes that and helps to basically keep your skin nice and clear. And it also has niacinamide in it, and if you guys didn't know, niacinamide is fantastic for removing blemishes and basically maintaining nice even skin. As you guys can see, that is what's helping me maintain a nice even skin tone on my face. So personally, I like to air dry my face. I've always done this. It just takes a few seconds just because I feel like towels do transfer bacteria, but that's just me, you guys. So next up is time to treat our skin. So today we are treating acne. So I'm going in with the chemical peel. This is the Ordinary's AHA and BHA peeling solution. Now you guys, this is an essential to your skincare routine if you're someone that struggles with acne. So the reason being is this exfoliates multiple layers of your skin. By doing this, it unclogs your pores and basically fights that acne. It's got ingredients such as salicylic acid, lactic acid, and glycolic acid, which all work together to combat acne. So quick disclaimer, you guys, you want to use this once a week. I say this because it is a strong product. It does work really well, but then if you use it too much, you can basically cause further damage by over exfoliating your skin, and that will basically make your skin way too sensitive and ruin your skin's natural barrier. So you want to use this once a week. That's basically how I use it, and it works really well for the acne. So this chemical peel is great for two things. One, is fantastic for texture problems. So if you've got acne, if you've got white hairs, you've got black hairs, it is definitely the go-to product. And two, if you've got uneven skin tone, you've got blemishes, you've got hyperpigmentation, this is also fantastic for that. So here I'm just showing you basically that I leave it on my skin for 10 minutes. It's a 10-minute facial, and then after this 10 minutes you want to go and rinse it off with lukewarm water. And this is how my skin looks immediately after. I love the glow that it gives me. It's just a really nice brightening product. But yeah, like I said, it's mainly for acne. For me, it just really does seem to just kill off my acne really fast. This makes a huge difference in my skincare routine when I'm struggling with acne, because I get hormonal acne. So around my period, that's when my acne starts to kind of flare up. So yeah, this is definitely a product to add to your cart. So now, time for step 3, which is a toner. So I go in with this toner from Paula's Choice. This is their 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. Now you guys, salicylic acid should be your go-to ingredient if you are someone that struggles with acne. It's an ingredient that's basically put in most products that are good for fighting acne, fighting texture. Now, I do want to mention that on the days that I use the chemical peel, I don't use this toner. I won't use a toner at all because obviously that's 2 BHAs, that's 2 exfoliants. It's way too strong for my face. So I'm just showing you guys how you would use it, say when you're not using the chemical peel. So I press it into my skin, as you guys can see, and then I leave it on my skin for another 10 minutes because you need the ingredients to absorb into your skin before you jump into the other step. So yeah, this is basically how I do it. Very simple, and I use this toner like 3 times a week. I don't use this every single day because again, it is strong. It's a BHA, so it's an exfoliant. Next up is time for serum. I'm going in with my all-time favorite serum, which is the Niacinamide Serum from Ordinary. This is absolutely amazing, you guys. I absolutely love it because not only is it good for acne, it's really good for blemishes, because some people tend to get blemishes. Some people like me, I get blemishes after my acne, so I get post-acne marks, and this basically helps to just keep that in check. It basically lightens my blemishes and maintains an even skin tone on my face. And to apply the serum, as you guys saw, I just put like 3 to 4 drops on my face, and then I just pat it into my skin. I just put it basically everywhere. I try and avoid my under eye bit because that bit is very sensitive, so try and avoid the under eye area. Leave that for eye cream. But yeah, in terms of the serum, it basically just goes everywhere. And then again, I let this sit on my face for 10 minutes again before I jump into my next step. But yeah, niacinamide, guys, I use this every single day. It does no harm to me. So yeah, next up is eye cream. I do struggle with under eye bags, dark circles, whatever you call it. I struggle with that, and I feel like since having a baby, my dark circles have gotten worse, and this has been really helping me. This eye cream is from Tilbury. I absolutely love it. I got it as PR, but you guys, I'm not gonna lie, I absolutely love it. However, I will recommend the Inkey List caffeine eye cream. That one is a bit more affordable, so I do recommend that one as well, and it's great for sensitive skin, and it does work really well. I'm just comparing the two, and I will say that like this one is really nice. My skin's been loving it, but I will say it's a little bit on the pricier side, so this is more of a drugstore friendly routine. So I will say if you want something that works kind of basically the same, use the Inkey List caffeine eye cream. That one I highly recommend, and I have used it in a few of my videos as well, so yeah, I can definitely vouch. So next up is moisturizer. Now the moisturizer that you pick is crucial when it comes to the type of skin issue you have. So because we're dealing with acne prone skin, which is also oily, you want to go with a lightweight gel type moisturizer, because this is what's not going to clog your pores, and it's going to give you a nice lightweight feel. And I like this one because not only is it lightweight, it is also extremely hydrating. Their formula is really good. They've got a nice amount of hyaluronic acid in it, so you're not basically stripping your face from all the active ingredients we've used. We've used active BHAs, we've used AHAs, we've really exfoliated our skin. So that can basically make your skin a little bit dry, a little bit sensitive. So this will basically calm that down and maintain your natural skin's barrier basically. And lastly, all importantly, is sunscreen. You guys, sunscreen. So I'm using the roche posay SPF 50 sunscreen. This is the one that I've always basically used. This one again is fantastic for people that have oily skin, and especially oily acne prone skin, because it's very lightweight, you guys. The consistency in this sunscreen is really nice. It's lightweight, it doesn't clog your pores, it's non-comedogenic, it's really nice. It also doesn't leave a white cast on darker skin tones. As you guys can see here, it's blended really nicely into my skin. Now you are gonna need a sunscreen because we have used so many active ingredients. You need to protect your skin because it's now a little bit more sensitive towards the sun's UV rays, so a sunscreen is a must, you guys. I apply sunscreen every time I leave the house, regardless of sun or not. And I do want to mention that I do take it down to wherever my skin is exposed, so my shoulders, my chest, sunscreen. So yeah, you guys, that is basically what I do when I'm dealing with acne. So I have oily prone skin, so this is the routine that I use. So I hope it really helped, you know, someone out there who deals with these issues, because it's all about picking the right ingredients for your skin. So yeah, guys, thank you so much for watching my video. I appreciate every single one of you. This is basically the end of it now, so I will catch you on my next one. Bye.